everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack That, turning problems into solutions. This is me Priyasha Das, and today in this video we're going to discuss some important points related to the reading comprehension. Well, according to the last live session which had the Q&As of various topics related to your MBA preparation, majority of questions were from the RC sections. Like they were either asking out for daily reading habits or asking out for how to concentrate on such lengthy passages or how to get it more accurate and things like that. So I thought that even though I have come up with the basics of reading comprehension, also called as the golden rules of reading comprehension, that's right there in my VA playlist, so you can get that up somewhere here or here, okay, and also there in the description box and the first comment. So आपको मैं VA playlist दे दूंगी, specifically 2-3 videos के link भी दे दूंगी. That will be the golden rules of RC, is very helpful. आप वहाँ से start कर सकते हो, उससे आपको basic concept तो पता चल जाएगा. But still, like if in short within 5 minutes I'm about to say a few things जो कि आपकी present scores को boost करने में definitely help करेगा, which is my personal thing which I definitely use while solving any RC. That is, number one, looking out for the keywords. Now when I say keywords, I don't mean any proper noun or something. Keywords here in state means some words which denote conclusion, some words which denote continuation, and some words which denote contrast, change in thought. Mera favorite hai. If you have ever seen one of my RC note making live videos, you would realize that ma'am ko but कितना पसंद है. I mean BUT. So BUT, but is a structured word which depicts the change of thought. But की तरह however is also a word, okay. Despite is also such a word, okay. Nevertheless, इस तरह के words क्या करते हैं? These words show a shift in your whatever the author is saying. Like for example, author is describing a pen, he is giving out all the details, like उसने कहाँ से लिया, what was the price, how smooth it runs, and suddenly he writes but, or he writes however, or he writes in like something similar to these contrast words. So इसका क्या मतलब होता है? This means that this is the area where there is a change of thoughts, change of ideas, and change of ideas are the most prone areas जहाँ से आपको questions पूछे जाते हैं. या फिर आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि while skimming it is the most important areas जहाँ पर आपको focus करना चाहिए, जहाँ पर exactly आपको notes बनाने चाहिए. Because जब भी कोई change of thought होता है, एक ही point पर हमें 2 ideas मिलते हैं, and that really helps us a lot in our option elimination as well. Understood? So make sure कि इस तरह के contrasting words का ध्यान रहे. Secondly comes the conclusion words like hence, therefore, in conclusion of. So ये सारे words क्या depict करते हैं? That author is finally summarizing whatever he told in the previous lines. तो अगर आप skim कर रहे हो तो इस तरह के conclusive sentences पर ज़रूर ध्यान दीजिएगा, because these type of sentences will help you understand पूरे paragraph का gist. So ये एक शॉर्टकट है जिसमें आपको काफ़ी हेल्प मिलती है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट ऑप्शंस, और स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग सम आरसीज जिनकी सेक्शंस या फिर जिनके जॉनर्स आपसे बहुत डिफरेंट है. जॉनरा इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. जैसे कि सपोज करो आपको पॉलिटिक्स बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं बट वो पॉलिटिक्स का है, आपको साइकोलॉजी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं बट वो साइकोलॉजी का पैसेज है. तो इस तरह के पैसेजेस को अगर आप अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, देन इन दैट केस दिस कंक्लूसिव सेंटेंसेस मेक इट रियली अ ईजी वे आउट टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. एंड लास्टली जो कि एडिशन में होता है, लाइक इन एडिशन टू, सिमिलरली, इस तरह के वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? सेम आइडिया की कंटिन्यूएशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस सेम आइडिया को फर्दर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, तो इसमें आप टाइम सेव कर सकते हो. हाउ कैन यू सेव टाइम ओवर हियर? यू कैन एक्चुअली गो फॉरवर्ड एंड सी कि अगर आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस समझ में आता है, देन यू कैन जस्ट स्टॉप ओवर देयर एंड यू कैन स्किम आउट द सेकेंड पार्ट. एंड इन केस you feel that you are not able to understand the first part, then only I recommend you to read the second part. And like this, your journey of RCs would be really easy. Don't worry about the keywords. I have a list of keywords with me which I'll be posting on my Instagram handle, the words which are contrasting, which are conclusive, and which are additional information kind of things. So continuation of idea. So इन तीनों के screenshots मैं आपको भेज दूंगी, I Instagram पे डाल दूंगी. Make sure you refer to that as well, ताकि वो words आपके दिमाग में रहे, and as soon as your eye catches that word in an RC, you realize the fact that okay, we are done, we need to concentrate or focus here. I hope this video will be helpful for all of you, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any other queries related to the examination or the preparation strategy. I'm happy to help. I'll definitely contact you back. And yes, one more very important thing, अगर चैनल में नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार, बिल्कुल फ्री है. And the most important thing is sharing. Share it with more and more people so that more and more people come to know about this free channel. And that's all for the day, I guess. I'll meet you in the coming video. Till then, please take care of yourself. And yes, one very important thing, that you need to continue working hard as you are. And अगर शुरू नहीं किया है तो शुरू हो जाओ. All the best everyone. Take care. Thank you.